Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Costco Anywhere step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Costco membership. Log into your Costco account on their website or through the app. Navigate to the Costco Anywhere section. Review the investment options available through the Costco Anywhere program. Select an investment account that suits your financial goals. Click on the account type to get detailed information about its features and requirements. Gather the necessary documentation for account setup, including identification and financial information. Follow the prompts to fill out the application form for your chosen investment account. Once completed, review your application for accuracy before submission. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from Costco. After receiving confirmation, fund your investment account according to Costco's guidelines. Monitor your investment performance regularly via the Costco platform. Utilize the available resources and tools provided by Costco to make informed investment decisions. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on your goals and market conditions. Always stay updated with Costco's announcements regarding changes in investment options. Seek professional financial advice if needed to create a comprehensive investment plan. Now, you are ready to invest effectively with Costco Anywhere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.